to another online business realm video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the online business realm. So today, for Crypto Thursday, we're going to be looking at a coin, specifically called FunFair. Nice little logo up here. I really like the interactive nature of it. And to just give you a little bit about FunFair, it is based around online gaming slash online gambling, and it has a platform that really look at that hodl. That's pretty funny. But it has a platform that is going to completely revolutionize online gaming. So I don't know if you've ever played online poker before or anything like that, but looking at this coin, it seems like it's going to totally revolutionize that. And online gambling is a huge business. So when you're looking for a coin to invest in, you want to invest in one that's going to have great technology behind it. Not something that's all hype because Twitter or Instagram or Reddit tells you to buy it. They maybe just be trying to pump the coin. You have to figure out, is a coin worth buying? And when you look at this coin, it really offers so much. It's going to help people who want to start online casinos. So if you want to start an online casino, there's all kinds of overhead and prices. I personally, just to figure out, what it would cost to open a casino, I've looked it up before. You're looking at least $150,000 just bare minimum to get one started. So supposedly FunFair has got all kinds of ways to reduce those prices. And then if you go here and look at the players tab, you'll see that it's about perfect casino experience, faster payments, better games. And as I was thinking about it, if you've ever done online gambling, maybe bet on a sports game, it is a huge process. So you have to take your money, go put it into an account with a online gaming site, and they have to approve the deposit. And then once that happens, they've got all kinds of stuff you have to do if you ever want to get your money off. You might win, you might win money, but then realize there was a catch to the money. So maybe if the casino gave you a bonus, you didn't realize you had to play through so much of that bonus before you got your money, and it just feels so scammy. It feels like that the online casinos are always trying to not give you your money. So this is, I really liked this paragraph here on their website. Playing at traditional casinos requires faith in people you haven't met and code you haven't read. That's what regulators, audits, and licenses are for. With games you can easily verify and instant escrow payments automated by the blockchain, FunFair gives you the peace of mind you deserve. So the way I look at it is, it's taking the in-person gaming experience, and it's now moving that to online. And what I mean by that is, at a real casino, you walk in, you sit down, you put your money on the table, the game is played, and then after the game is played, you decide, or one round of what game, whether it's blackjack or some other game, you decide, okay, do I want to stand up and take my money, or do I want to continue playing? With online casinos currently, it's not like that. To get your money, you're not just taking it and standing up and leaving. A withdrawal on most online gaming sites is going to take days and days and days and days, sometimes up to weeks. And there's always all kinds of catches. So that's why I think this coin has great potential. So now that we understand what FunFair is, why it could be good, let's just check out its coin market cap real quick and get a look at that. So it is FUN is the acronym for it, or the symbol, if you will. And right now it's at 8 cents. It peaked at about 15 cents, I think. 19.2 was as high as it got when everything was kind of spiking recently. Of course, now everything is down because of Bitcoin just can't stabilize. But we won't really get too much into that. Just to look at a few things about it, there are about 11 billion total supply of this coin, which is much higher than I like on a coin, but I really do like the technology, and I do think that it has a lot of potential to actually revolutionize the gaming industry. So Now that we've looked a little bit at it, we've looked at the cost. Right now it's at about 8.5 cents almost. Let's look at how you buy it. So you're going to want to go to your Coinbase account. You're going to want to click buy and then go down to either Ethereum or Bitcoin and deposit some money into your account if you haven't already done that. If you have money on your Coinbase account already, don't worry about it. We're going to be doing Binance to make this exchange. So what you're going to want to do is go here to, let's just say you bought Bitcoin. You're going to go to Bitcoin. You're going to type or click deposit. And this right here is your address. So what you're going to want to do at this point is go back to your Coinbase and go to accounts, and then you are going to click send, and once you hit send, you will just put in that address. Coinbase is going through some maintenance right now, so just disregard all of those warnings that keep coming up. So you would just paste that in there, type in the amount you want to send, and hit continue. So once your money hits your Binance account, what you're going to want to do is go over to Exchange and go to Basic. Now, for my purposes, I always like to use Market instead of the limit option on Binance. It makes stuff easier. It makes things instant. You don't have to wait. If you want to get into more complicated bidding and things like that, then you can do that. So we have clicked the Bitcoin tab here, BTC, and now we're just going to type in fun. It's going to pop up, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to use all of our Bitcoin, so we'll hit 100. That will give me 778 fun for what I have currently. You could, if you wanted to only do half, you could type in 50% of your Bitcoin balance, or you could just pick an amount and say you just want 100 fun or whatever it may be. I'll show you the max amount. Let's just go ahead and do 750. All right, and it went through. So I wasn't able to do 100% of my balance. Not sure why. Sometimes just with the exchange fees that they charge you, it can be a little hard to figure out sometimes. But now that I've done that, I can go straight over here to my balances, and you will see now it says FunFair 750. So it's in my account, and now it's just time to watch it moon. Hopefully. So hopefully everything's going to turn around in the cryptocurrency market here soon, and we'll look back at this January as just a blip on the radar. So hope you've enjoyed this video. I think FunFair is a good coin to get into. As you can see, most of my holdings on Binance anyways right now are in Walton Coin. That's another good one. We'll talk about that one probably here in a couple weeks. But thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and check out everything we've got on the channel here. And until next time, get out there and make some money.